This week on Sailing Miss Lone Star, we remove the sails and dig into the bowsprit. Then we take a much-deserved break and head inland to a beautiful waterfall near Puerto Vallarta.
A little faster there, cowboy. We've got some problems with some major compression. You guys see this right here. Ooh. Okay, I don't have a lot of strength. I think so. All right, sitting on the dock of the bay here. I don't even know where to begin. So the bowsprit is rotten. The Kron's iron or collar that holds the bobstay and the forestay is broken, like totally rusted. There's a fissure from what do you say? Nose to toes? I don't know. And also there's some new and exciting leaks in the doghouse. So there's a lot of teething that's happening on the boat after it had been out of the water for 6 years, and some really challenging projects. So today, step one is to take the anchor off of the bowsprit and the anchor roller. So the big question is where to have this work done, or where to do this work. I'm gonna try to do most of the work myself. Esteban's gonna help. He's gonna be the muscles. But I've got to spearhead this project here, and I mean, honestly, it's a lot. It's not a project I've done before, and when I've told other people what project I'm doing that are boat people, they're like, ooh, that's a big project. So yes, rebuilding the bow and fixing a whole bunch of dry rot and leaks in the doghouse. So, you know, this is like, it all comes down to deferred maintenance. Anyways, I wish I had some Cheerios to cry in, but I do not. So let's head to the bow and let's get this anchor down. Okay, so the idea was to use a line. Yep. Oh, I know, use the other end of that line. Ready? Listo? Okay, this isn't great for the bowsprit.
Houdini has a 135-pound anchor, which I love in a storm and hate for the general wear and tear it puts on the bow. The next step is to teach Esteban how to pack the sails away. It's so satisfying watching them fold up into their sail bags. So today is the next day, and I got a little frustrated about loosening the turnbuckles. I'm dyslexic, so the other thing that I was having trouble doing was holding the top wire still as we were turning the turnbuckle, and if you don't do that, then the wire spins, which is a bummer. So anyways, we're gonna go out there and try to loosen the turnbuckle again, and then hopefully the mast, well, the cats are down there causing a ruckus. The mast will move forward a little bit, giving us some slack on the forestay, so we can pull that pin out that's been a little stubborn. So let's get going.
Yes? Needs to be going down.
Yep, that's it.
So we wanna go slower, no?
Yeah. So give me like 1.5 more turns. 1.5, yeah. Okay, let me feel this. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is go forward. Okay, so hopefully now that we've loosened those backstays, we can get this pin out a little bit easier. We were struggling with it yesterday. So we're gonna give a little tap. Okay.
Oh,
Uh-oh, what was that?
they bleed.
Oh, that's okay. That'll happen. Okay, aft or forward for the bolts, baby?
Into the back one.
Okay, aft. Dun 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 dun. Okay, the first one is off, and we've got some problems with some major compression. You guys see this right here? Yeah, compression in the wood. So I think I'm gonna need to make a plate for there. And this, can you guys see this? This piece has a slight bend in it, and that's what came off there. So make it longer on each side and maybe thicker, or maybe a plate underneath that's longer and thicker. Okay, we've got both the drums down and there was no major calamity. Now we're gonna try to take the wood platform off. Nice. Okay. Looks like there's 5 bolts on each one. Okay, getting close. Right up. Pull it up again. Oh, that's scary. Look at that. Is it attached anywhere? Okay, wait a second. Holy smokes. Is it attached anywhere?
No.
All right. Look at that. Lift her on up, sailor.
Why, you want me to lift it more?
Yeah. Why not? We're here. Let's guide it onto the dock. Yeah. Okay, so it wasn't attached the way that I thought it was, and this is where we're at right now. So we're gonna move the boat forward and see if just the two of us, with our incredible strength and muscles, can move this thing down. This is my plan. To there. We'll use some mechanical advantage, hopefully. Yeah, let's do this. Ba, 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 ba.
All right, life goals. How many YouTube channels can I be on? Got it. You're out? Okay. Ready? I'm gonna need
Heavy
you to
did this
control
feel?
that anyway.
That's not,
Yeah, no, it's, I picked it up, I'm like,
okay.
yeah.
Oh, how is this connected? I don't want to lose that piece.
What?
This plate on the back here.
Yeah, I'm gonna have you just controlling the halyard.
Are you up underneath the...
Yeah, we're out. We need to come down.
Should we go to the one side here so we don't hit the fence? Can we?
Yeah, we go to starboard side because you got a screw on it. I don't know, screw up the wood.
Okay.
Casey down.
Might have to go up on the fence.
Oh, okay. Oh, we got
You
more
got it
help.
anyway, that'll help us support it.
Oh, cool.
Okay. Oh, if you guys want to hold, I can come down. We're ready to swing out. Okay.
Okay, I don't know how.
Swing out to
You
swing
got
out
that
to
okay?
port.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay. Swing stern out to port. Casey, keep the tension on that halyard. Robert, coming to you.
Ooh. Okay, I don't have a lot of
I
strength
think so.
right here.
Put it down slowly.
Got it? I'm not helping you that much.
Hold on.
Swing it sideways. Yeah, Aubrey out there. I got this. So swing it sideways over here on the bow.
I'm gonna let go, young
Yes,
lady.
yes, I got it.
Okay.
Casey, up. Up. Okay. Hold.
Rig that up, put it in again. Come to that last post behind that last spreader there.
Uh-huh.
That's more balanced for you.
Oh, that's a good idea. Today, we're gonna take off the Kronz iron, but first we're gonna take off this support, which is just taking out some of this goo here, and hopefully it's just a lag bolt. The main damage in the wood is just so small here, so I'm thinking it might be a matter of epoxy and wood flour, so let's see. Analysis by paralysis is over, and today we're gonna pull apart this bowsprit. So, I have a good feeling.
At the time of the true, the moment of the pruner. There we go.
Great. Okay,
Oh my.
this is the piece we need rebuilt.
We got this.
Okay, a little hardware there. Okay, that wood feels really good, actually. Okay. Great. All right, you guys, that's the crack in question. Well, it's almost all the way through.
Yes.
Yeah.
Where? It's because it's two. It's
There. All right, then we're gonna peel the paint off of this bowsprit from here to here and just take a look at the health.
The first mission is complete, and it's time to take a little break and head into town for a little R&R.
So welcome to the very loud romantic district where we're gonna get some tacos. They should be good. They're fish tacos. Okay, so I guess this is one of the oldest fish taco tiendas. Do you call this a tienda? Shop? A little tienda? No.
a taco store, taco place.
How do you say that?
Puesto de tacos.
Puesto de
So this is one of the most popular fish tacos in Puerto Vallarta. The name is Marisma. Dos de pescado para ella. Sí, una quesadilla y para ti. También una de camarón y una de pescado. Solo un taco de camarón.
Alright, so my Spanish is still pretty embarrassing, but I'm trying anyways. Here's the test. Hold on, sorry buddy. It's hot. Well, there you got it wrong. How is it, my boy? Good? Okay, that was delicious. And now we're gonna go hiking with this big old full belly. Oh. Okay. Monday? Cuidado, punk. Thank you. I love your singing, Mom. There's no way.
No, look, that jaca.
Did you hear that?
The best ever.
My son. Oh, a chair. A cement chair. Do you see that? Just in case you get tired, which would make you assume that we're possibly halfway.
Mom, get a picture.
Take a seat, son. Oh, yeah.
Yes, but
Oh, it doesn't look so safe. Don't lean back. Woo-wee. Now let's go check out this waterfall. So if you guys have been noticing the piping here, that is because
because the people in the town get their water from this river. So there's cement and like a piping ducts all the way down, and that's where they get their fresh. So we're gonna head to the top, and we're almost there, and I'm super pumped to see this waterfall. So let's go. We have stopped at a halfway point, and the water's so beautiful. I could just stay here forever. It's gorgeous. On the river here and stack some rocks. We're gonna head back and maybe go hunt down some margaritas. I don't know.
Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to catch up in real time, check out The Daily Show.
Do you have to spray it in my eyeballs, or can you like...
You can go to sailingmisslonestar.com. A huge thank you to my patrons. You make these videos possible.